Welcome to Planning Your Video Creation. Now, in this video, we'll be looking at planning your videos. Now just like the range of video equipment, camera angles, lighting setups, etc., there's many ways to be right. So, what I've done is to try and find a balance between keeping it nice and simple for you, but at the same time giving you a variety of questions that allows for what your video's intended purpose is. So, planning any video, you'll just need to answer the 4 PMTD questions. These questions are: 1. Purpose, sometimes also called strategy. What does your video need to accomplish? 2. Message, what's your message, script or story? 3. Type, what type or style of video will you create? And 4. Distribution, how and where will you distribute your video? Let's look at these in a little bit more detail. Purpose. Now, do you want your video to achieve awareness, visibility, your expertise and or credibility, get leads, lead generation, launch a product or service, sell a product or service, generate web traffic, or maybe simply grow your list? But remember, your purpose or strategy will drive the other questions of message, type and distribution. So next is message. What message or story do you want to convey? Here you need to answer the questions of, how will you communicate your message? Are you going to be on or off camera? How can you be clear, concise and direct so you get to the point of your video? Can you ad lib as you go along, or do you need a script? And if you need a script, do you need teleprompter or auto cue? And critically important, what do you want the viewer to do when the video is over? Answering these questions will give you clarity on what message you want to convey. And remember to keep your video short if possible for maximum viewer retention. So, 2, 3, 4 minutes. The third question is type. What type or style of video is best to get your message out there? Apart from making it short, how can you make it fun, relevant and compelling for the viewer? What types of videos suit your message? Now, this is where identifying your purpose in question 1 is so important. It helps you identify the type of video to make. What type or style of video suits your personality? If you're a quieter type of personality, then maybe seated talking head is best. If you're more dynamic, maybe standing and wider shot and capturing your animation. So you need to identify the type or style that best suits your personality. There's no right or wrong way to do it, but the important thing is that the type or style needs to not get in the way of the message that you want to communicate to your viewers, okay? Now the last question is distribution. Where are the best places to share or place your video? The number one rule is to actually get it out there, not sitting on your computer until everything's perfect. Tell me. Anyway, so in deciding where to distribute it, the most important question for you is, where is your audience? So besides YouTube, where else will you upload it to? To your website, your blog, other video sites like Vimeo or Vidler or MetaCafe? Or where does your audience hang out? Will you post it to Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Google+? Are you going to email it to your list? All right, PMTD, purpose, message, type, and distribution. These are the 4 questions to answer before you start making any videos. Below is a form that you can print out, and in part A, answer the 4 PMTD questions. Then in part B, there are 10 questions to get you thinking about the logistics of making a video. And in part C, if you want to, you can write a short script. Remember, start with baby steps, and anything you do to identify strategy is a successful step in your journey to mastering video as a powerful tool. So, all what you do is download the PDF document below and to complete that and have a think about it and get there going with your strategy. And I'll see you in the next video.